Welcome, Tech Follow.
Hey guys. You will be glad to know that we want to show the best product in this video for maximum advantages. You will definitely be interested in buying this product. We have make this video by spending our overall feedback and time. We have show in here product quality and the right price. So whether you want more different your best budget. Hope you check out the link in the description below. So let's choose the right product through video analysis.
Product name, Sauder Homeplus Storage Cabinet, Salt Oak Finish. Stylish storage where you need it. This storage cabinet from the Homeplus collection will fit all your storage needs. Behind each frame panel door, this tall storage cabinet features one fixed shelf and two adjustable shelves for customizable storage space. This cabinet is a perfect place to store clothes, books, towels and more. This cabinet with doors also includes a swing-out storage door with 3 adjustable and 3 fixed shelves for additional storage and organization for items like DVDs, CDs, video games, whatever home items that need a place to be stored. To better accommodate your space, this storage cabinet can be assembled with a swing-out storage door on the left or right side. Convenient cord organization with an enclosed back panel helps keeps your storage armoire free of cord clutter. Adjustable levelers at the base ensure that your cabinet with storage doors will be aligned and level, even if the floor is not. Finished in salt oak, this good-looking wood storage cabinet will have your home looking clean and organized in no time. 2 adjustable shelves and 1 fixed shelf sit behind each door in our storage cabinet. Swing-out storage door features 3 adjustable and 3 fixed shelves. This storage cabinet unit can be assembled with swing-out storage on either left or right side. Frame panel doors. Enclosed back panel has cord access. Adjustable base levelers.
Make a choice in the video. If you have seen our video for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates of our channel. Make sure you check out the description for the links to find the latest price for this products in this video. Thanks for watching.